Welcome back to Sister's Kitchen. Welcome my lovely viewers and my lovely subscribers. Today we're going to make stewed chicken with vegetable rice. Okay guys, I have my 2 chicken over here. I'm going to cut them up and we're going to make stewed chicken. Not brown stewed chicken, stewed chicken. We're not going to brown these. I have a video up with brown stewed chicken already. Guys, I'm gonna butcher my chicken and clean it up very nicely and wash with lime and vinegar as usual. Okay guys, so I'm finished cutting my chicken. I'm gonna wash them now with some vinegar and lime water and get right back to you guys. So stay tuned guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna wash my chicken on my cutting board. Okay guys, I'm gonna add my lemon juice. Add some vinegar. So okay guys, I'm gonna wash it now and get right back to you. Stay tuned, okay guys? Okay guys, so my chicken is finished washed. It's clean and nice. So I'm gonna season it now and put it down for maybe an hour and a half, and then I will start cooking. Okay, let me change my gloves. So I'm gonna add some black pepper, a dash of black pepper, not too much, and some seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, not too much, maybe a teaspoon. This is my garlic plus. And I'm gonna add some gravy browning, just a little bit. This is gonna be the browning for the meat, because I'm not gonna fry it. I'm just gonna strew it down. So guys, I'm gonna rub up my dry ingredients and I'm gonna get my wet ingredients ready. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna put down this. I'm gonna cut up my onion and stuff, and I'll come right back to you guys. Okay guys, I'm cutting up my green pepper. I started already. I'm getting all the wet ingredients to put on my chicken. I already put the dry ones on it already. So I'm just doing vegetables now. So see, I finished my pepper. I'm gonna get my carrot. Okay guys, I'm adding my green peppers, onion and scallion here, my garlic. Now I'm gonna add my carrot, my hot pepper, my thyme, and my rest of scallion and sweet pepper. I have a orange one. Okay guys, so I'm gonna rub it up a little bit. I'm gonna rub in my love into it. I'm gonna take out back the pepper because it was frozen, so I don't want to rub it up in there, make it crush out too fast. Okay guys, so I'm gonna make it soak for an hour and a half, and then I'm gonna start cooking. Okay guys, so see you guys in an hour and a half. Stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm gonna add my coconut oil to my pot, so it can take its time and melt because it's a little bit hard now. Okay. I think this is enough now. So I'm gonna make it heat up a little bit more because it's not so hot right now. Let me turn up the stove a little bit more. I had it on medium. Okay, it's getting hot now. It's getting hot. Let's melt off the fork, so it's getting hot right now. Make it heat up a little bit more. Okay guys, so I'm gonna add my meat to my pot. And remember, this is stewed chicken, not brown stewed chicken, okay? So we're gonna add on. So guys, I'm gonna cover it and let it steam a little bit, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm making my first stir. See, it's coming on good. I feel one Irish to put in there after. I'm gonna put it in there right now. I'm gonna make it steam down a little bit more. I'm not gonna add any water to it yet. So guys, stay tuned. Stir right now, guys. Making this gravy now, yeah. I could feel it. I still didn't add any water to it yet, guys. Hopefully I don't have to add any water. Just turn the stove down. When you're cooking like that, you turn the stove down low and let it stay and simmer slowly. So guys, I'm not going to add any water. Maybe I'm going to add a little bit more brown into it to give it a more color. I'm going to add my tomato to it now. I'm going to put my pepper. I'm going to put it on the side. So okay guys, I will be right back with you. Stay tuned guys. I smell the pepper already. Oh my gosh, I hope it don't. Guys, I can smell my pepper. It smells nice though. Guys, I have to make sure it doesn't stick in the bottom. Guys, until now I didn't add no water to it. And you see, it's making a lot of gravy already. Put it on the side, yeah. Okay guys, I have to keep the pepper on the side because I don't I want everybody can eat after. Okay guys, so I'll stay tuned, guys. I'll be right back. Meat, my chicken, just half a cup. And guys, whenever you're cooking and if you need water, you can add water. I just had half a cup of wine for mine because I'm cooking mine slow. That is why I don't need a lot of water. And I didn't add any water to it anyway. I'm just cooking it slow. So the chicken is giving me its own water. So I don't have to add any water. But guys, if you're cooking and you see where it needs water, you add your water, okay? And guys, if you cook it slow, you don't have to add any water. If you cook it slow. So right now I have my stove on medium. So if you do the same thing, you don't have to add any water. You can add a little half cup of white wine in there and that's it. You make it take its time and cook. So guys, stay tuned. I'll be right back, okay? Okay guys, so my chicken is finished cooking. So I'm gonna share a plate, right guys? And I'm gonna show you the finished product, okay? I'm gonna turn off the stove already. So we're gonna show you the finished product in a minute. So stay tuned guys until I make my plate. So this is my finished product of my stew chicken and vegetable and white rice. So guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe please. And guys, tell me where you're calling from so I could shout you out in the next video please. Okay guys, I'm gonna shout out Curly Chrissy from Guyana. She tell me where she was watching from. Big up my girl. And see you guys in our next video. I hope she's hearing me. So guys, remember, like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless you and see you in our next video. Ciao.